So often in your studies you might be learning a lot about various global problems and you can see then it's often you would only see the problems, right? So what we want is people who can also see the possibilities. We live in times of tremendous challenge and change, and sometimes this can feel overwhelming. You might feel like you want to make a difference, but you don't know where to start. In 2021, we're offering a new course called Optimism and Agency in Times of Change. In this course, you'll get a chance to do a range of exercises that explore your strengths and interests. You'll have a chance to talk with people from a range of career paths who can give you ideas on directions that will be a good fit for you. And you'll work on a project that will combine your strengths, your interests, and the issues that are important to you. Rather than just doing the next course on your program, you can look and say, okay, what am I really interested in and how could I make a project around that that helps me make a contribution and also helps me takes me further ahead in my career. We need students from a really wide range of backgrounds to work on all these sorts of problems. They bring together all kinds of disciplines and there are lots of opportunities in the world to contribute to these sorts of challenges, no matter what discipline you're coming from. So what we want is people who can also see the possibilities and can see the opportunities. And you need a specific way of thinking to be able to do that. You need to actually learn how to think about what your influence is, how you fit within the system, what your skills and capabilities are, and then how you can make a difference. So with this course, we're aiming to teach students how that works for them and how they can actually make a contribution to something that will be a good fit with who they are.